And they're getting really smart about it. Like if they're like, all right, if we can't make laws, we're going to come at them from the credit card angle. If they are going to have a gun, we're going to make sure that they can't carry it. And if they go against that law, then we're going to
It's gonna.
hit them with a really big fine. And also for anybody who's saying like they're just not going to comply, cool, that sounds great in theory. Initially, the assault weapons ban, the first offense, the first time that you would, disobey this law, you would get hit. They changed it, but you would have gotten hit with a $250,000 fine,
Hmm.
which is going to cripple a lot of people. So even
A
if you're
ton of
like, I'm
people.
not going to comply, so what? You're going to lose like your house, your car, your livelihood because you decided not to comply, and now you owe, you know, you have to pay this fee that you're refusing to pay.
Yeah, I think people underestimate the process in terms of like you, you want to be able to fight through the system as much as you
Mhm.
can because nobody wants to get to the ultimate point. And granted,
No.
it's there and we can utilize it and will, but we're not at the point where it's a complete loss. And I think a lot of people seemingly think that way, but we're on defense. We're playing defense. And
Mhm.
unfortunately, the drawback of being on defense is you never really get a break.
No.
It's constant because they can attack anytime they want. So we have to defend the Second Amendment because it exists. It's like a castle, right? It's immovable. But because it's immovable, people can constantly attack it. And as a result of that, we're constantly going to have to defend it. And I think people think that they can just throw a couple of punches and jabs and then sit down and not have to worry about it and just relax. It's like, no,
No.
we don't get that benefit.